COVID-19 continues to evolve with new variants like SLIRT, Flirt, driving recent waves of infection globally. The Flirt variants, which emerged from the JN.1 Omicron lineage, have mutations that may increase transmissibility and ability to evade immunity from previous infections and vaccinations. Despite no evidence of increased severity, these variants pose challenges in controlling COVID-19 spread. As we enter winter, it's crucial to understand the implications of these variants. Today, we speak with Dr. Asima Banu from Bengaluru Medical College, who was widely acclaimed for her role as the Nodal Officer of the COVID ward at the Trauma Care Centre, Victoria Hospital in 2020. We will discuss the implications of the Flirt variants for public health, vaccine effectiveness, and the necessary measures to stay protected. ये जो नया फ्लर्ट वेरिएंट है, नाम से वैसे काफी दिलचस्प नजर आ रहा है। ये कोविड के पिछले वेरिएंट से किस तरह से मुख्तलिफ है या कितना डेंजरस है मैम?
ये फ्लर्ट वेरिएंट, दिस इज जस्ट अनदर वेरिएंट ऑफ द ओमिक्रॉन वेरिएंट व्हिच वी हैड लास्ट ईयर
जी,
and that was circulating. उसी से it has got a little variant, mutation, 2 mutations, and it has come as the new variant. Not different, वो different नहीं है, but it is just it's just a change, a genetic change. Same, it is causing the same symptoms of cough and respiratory infection, loss of smell, myalgia, fever, similar symptoms. So nothing different. And it is very transmissible, very highly fast transmission. That's all is the difference.
अच्छा, तो इस कनेक्शन में ये चूंकि हाईली ट्रांसमिटिव है, तो हाउ माइट द फ्लर्ट वेरिएंट्स इम्पैक्ट द इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ करंट वैक्सीन्स एंड नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी में?
It's a natural immunity will act. All the vaccines were based on the alpha and delta wave. So those vaccines will not work at all. Absolutely, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. We were planning of vaccines on the Omicron variant, and now this has come up. So the old vaccines will not have so much immunity against the new ones. But yes, we were infected, we had a vaccine, so some memory will be there, immune memory. And it's not so severe as the previous one. So we don't have to worry as the Delta variant.
अच्छा, तो वैक्सीन का इन पर कोई असर नहीं होने वाला है इस वेरिएंट पर?
See, any vaccine थोड़ा मेमोरी रहता, थोड़ा क्रॉस रिएक्टिव, because there is only 2 mutations, no? The other things are all the same. Some sort of protection will be there, but not totally protected.
अच्छा, तो इस हालत में पब्लिक को और पब्लिक हेल्थ सिस्टम्स को क्या मेजर्स करने चाहिए?
हैंड हाइजीन, masking if anybody is sick. If you are sick, don't infect others. And if there is if there are young children or there are senior citizens and if they are testing positive, be a little vigilant on them. Simple, that's all.
अच्छा, इस वेरिएंट का ग्लोबल सिनेरियो क्या है मैम? मैं इस पर जानना चाह रही थी क्योंकि यूएस में, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में इसकी अलग-अलग रिपोर्ट्स आ रही हैं इस वेरिएंट।
Yeah, but it's not been told as serious, na? It's just there. And once COVID is a variant of corona. Corona is a common respiratory infection, cough and cold virus. So that has been there from ages. This will not go. It will come, go. It will come, go. Seasonal. Like flu.
तो यानी अभी कोरोना के साथ ही रहना है और एहतियाती तदाबीर के साथ।
कोरोना के साथ ही हम थे पहले से
जी,
ये वेरिएंट आ गया था बस।
जी,
तो इसके साथ ही रहेंगे भी। तो वी विल डेवलप नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी, इतना ही इंशाल्लाह।
तो ज्यादा घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है?
नहीं, बट बी विजिलेंट, डोंट बी स्केयर्ड, बी विजिलेंट।
एहतियात बरतना जरूरी है,
घबराहट की जरूरत ही नहीं है।
जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मैम सादा डिजिटल से बात करने के लिए।